Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by opening Roblox Studio and loading the place that contains the texture you want removed. Once the file is open, use Explorer to locate the part, decal, or texture object. You're aiming for the specific instance, not just the model. Make sure to note the asset ID or right-click the decal and choose View Asset to confirm it. Once identified, leave Studio running and prepare to edit properties so you can clear or replace the asset reference. You now take action. Select the decal or texture in Explorer, then focus on the Properties pane. Remove the texture or texture ID value by clearing the field, or paste a replacement asset ID if you want a new image. If multiple objects share the same texture, use the Edit Find and Replace feature or a small script to iterate through descendants and change texture ID in bulk. Make sure to preview changes in the viewport so lighting and UVs still look correct. You finish by testing in Play and Play Here modes to confirm the texture is removed across clients. Once done, rebuild lighting to eliminate artifacts and check seams where UVs might reveal old image edges. If the old texture still appears, make sure there are no duplicate decals, clear asset caches, or upload a corrected image under a new asset ID. Finally, save and publish the place. Make sure to document the asset ID changes so you can revert or audit later.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.